Welcome back, DevOps enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of automation with Crontab on a CentOS 7 server. Imagine having tasks executed seamlessly without lifting a finger, whether it is a data backup, a system maintenance, or any repetitive task that you can think of, transforming your server management experience. So get ready to elevate your skill to the next level.
So let's talk about foundation. Let's see the structure of Crontab. Command stroke cat/etc/Crontab. So you can see we have 5 stars. Username command to be executed. The first star means minute 0 to 59. The second one is hours 0 to 23. The third one is day of month. After you have month 1 to 12 for the initial of month, and finally you have day of week 0 to 6, and Sunday can be 0 or 7. And after that you have username and command to execute. So let's see some useful examples. So let's run Crontab-edit in order to see how this thing works. So we have the empty file where we're going to put 0, 2, star, 2 star, and finally 0 or 7. Okay, and we're going to provide the username Tommy, and after that run the command yum update and yum upgrade on our server. So that means that we're going to run the update and upgrade command every week on the weekly basis, and particularly every Sunday at 2 a.m. in the morning. So ensure that our system is up to date with the latest security. Okay, so patches, and just to keep our server safe. Okay, we're gonna have this script that is running that is gonna allow our system to run some update and upgrade. Okay, so patches and software update. So I'm going to provide another useful command that we can run on the enterprise environment, which is check rootkit. Okay, and make sure that through pipe command we send the email to our address. Okay, that one is on the weekly basis as well. So this script gonna send on the weekly basis, and particularly every Sunday at 5 a.m. on the morning. Okay, weekly rootkit scan report. Okay, so we're gonna receive it on our email. So let me know if you want me to show you how to set up a mail server on Linux in order to proceed that. So the first step should be to install the mail packages, mailx. Okay, so let's talk about delete right now. To delete, we just run crontab-r in order to delete a cron job with the user that is connected. Right now I'm connected as root, and if you are checking right now, you're going to see that there is no more on my Crontab file. You see all my my job are disappeared. So let's do now crontab-l. This is the command that we're going to use in order to list all our cron jobs. So right now let's practice something to understand how the thing works. So I'm going to cut cron.sh, and you can see that I have my shebang detail defined by subshell command date, and lock defined by echo command, subshell command, and at the end of the file I touch the output of logs. Okay, so I'm going to do something right now. I'm going to run that script. Okay, and you're going to see that the output is showing up, and it's exactly script have been run Friday, June, with all the information on the time that I've run the script. Okay, So let's run our cron job right now in order to have this run maybe on the weekly basis. Okay, so I'm gonna do a script that's gonna allow us to run I am asking to run my cron.sh script every Friday at 5:40 p.m. okay, don't forget we are using military time, that's why you see 17:46. okay, so every Friday is 5. I can also use FRI. So I have registered it and I'm wanting the date, so it's not the time yet. Normally we're going to wait a little bit and run again when we're going to be on the good time, and you're going to see that our cron job have been executed. So we're going to check us again, what time is it? Okay, it's already 46. So you see our script have been executed, and you see 17:46 exactly as we have provided in our Crontab. So just awesome.
Congratulations, you have just unlocked the secret to effortless automation with cron job on CentOS 7 server. With this newfound power, your server management will be more efficient and effective than ever. Just subscribe and give a thumbs up in order to see the new awesome video on bash scripting and everything around DevOps and Linux system administrator. See you.